So here's the problem. Take the derivative, and y is given implicitly, so let's think slowly through this. So first we take the derivative of cosine, which is negative sine. We carry the angle along, and then we go in and take the derivative of the angle. The derivative of x is just 1. The derivative of y is y prime, and you have to put parentheses there. Oh no, you see it, right? The derivative of e to the stuff is e to the stuff, but the stuff has product rule. So first d second plus second d first. So on both sides we need to distribute, right? So this whole thing carries to 1 and to y prime. So negative sine x plus y to the 1, there it is. And then negative sine x plus y times the y prime, there it is. Okay, so let's go to the other side. So this term times this gives us this. And then this term times this gives us this. They're all separated. So now I can dig in and isolate the y prime guys. So I'm looking, that's a y prime term, and that's a y prime term. So you get to choose which side. So I chose the left-hand side to put the y prime guys over, so subtracted that. And then I added that over. So then it's your job to factor out the y prime, and then finally divide through by this so that you get y prime equals. Okay, let's try one on our very, very own. So the derivative of cotangent, you know, is negative cosecant squared. You carry the angle along. And now I'm going to multiply by the derivative of the angle. Derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of y is y prime. Equals, okay, so let's go to this. So 3y squared times y prime. And then you remember the derivative of ln of, or 3 to the stuff, right? It's 3 to the stuff, ln of 3, and then times the derivative of stuff. So it is necessary to invest the time to multiply this times here and this times here, right? So the first one, that's pretty easy. X plus y. And then this times this gives me a minus y prime cosecant squared x plus y. And I'm just going to change colors because all of this stuff is just carrying along. And this is one big, huge term, right? Plus 3x to the 4th ln of 3, 4x cubed. And nothing can combine together, right? Let's identify our y prime terms. That's y prime, and there's a y prime. So you get to choose a side. So, I don't know, let's just try the right-hand side this time. So if I kept this over here, and I added this, so I'd have y prime cosecant squared x plus y. No, it just doesn't like it when I do certain things. All right. Let's get it working again. Okay, cosecant squared of x plus y. Now I gotta stop it. Be right back.